worms, corn, and grains. Number 2, duck. Quack, 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 quack. Duck eats worms and snails. Number 3, cow. Moo. Cow eats grass. Zoo animals are monkey. Monkey has a long tail. Elephant. Elephant has a big body and long trunk. Giraffe. Giraffe has a big body and long neck. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.